Hey, this is a Mathketeer here to show you how to factor trinomials. The trinomial written in standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. Today we will be doing problems where a equals 1. Our first step is to set up two sets of parentheses. Then we need to find multiples of c that equal b when combined. I have 6 examples to help illustrate. For example 1, we have x squared plus 8x plus 7. We want to find multiples of positive 7 that when added together equal positive 8. So we're going to set up our two parentheses. And the only multiples to get positive 7 would be 7 and 1, negative 7 and negative 1. We want positive 8, so we're going to go with x plus 7 and x plus 1. For example number 2, we have x squared minus 11x plus 10. So we need multiples of 10. We can have positive 10, positive 1, negative 10, negative 1, 5 and 2, negative 5 and negative 2. We want two multiples that when combined equal negative 11. And in this case, it will be negative 10 and negative 1. So it is going to be x minus 10 and x minus 1. For example 3, we have x squared plus 4x minus 12. So we will now want multiples of negative 12 that when combined equal positive 4. We have negative 4, positive 3, 4, negative 3, 6, negative 2, negative 6, positive 2. The solution here would be positive 6 and negative 2. So our answer here is going to be x plus 6 times x minus 2. For example 4, we have x squared minus 11x plus 24. So we're looking for multiples of positive 24 that when combined equal negative 11x. So we're going to need two negative numbers. So negative 12 times negative 2, negative 6 times negative 4, negative 8 times negative 3. The solution here would be negative 8 and negative 3 because when we combine them, they equal negative 11. Our parentheses will look like this, x minus 8 times x minus 3. For example number 5, we have x squared minus 13x plus 40. So let's look at multiples of positive 40 that when combined equal negative 13x. We can use 10 and 4, 8 and 5, negative 8, negative 5, negative 10, negative 4. Our solution here would be negative 8 and negative 5 because when combined they equal negative 13. So this would be x minus 8 multiplied by x minus 5. And for number 6, we have x squared plus 11x plus 18. So we need multiples of 18 that when combined equal 11. Our choices would be 6 and 3, 9 and 2. The solution here would be positive 9 and positive 2. So our parentheses will look like this, x plus 9 multiplied by x plus 2. So when factoring trinomials, where ax squared plus bx plus c is the standard form and a equals 1, we want to set up parentheses, find multiples of c that equal b when combined. I am the Mathketeer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Let me know what you think.